Today, let's tackle a burning question. How much can you actually spend on Beforepay without making that initial first payment? We're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of Beforepay's credit limits and how they work. Beforepay is a fantastic tool for managing your cash flow, especially if you're a freelancer or have irregular income. It allows you to access your earned income early, giving you the flexibility to cover unexpected expenses or simply enjoy a smoother financial ride. But there's always that question lingering: how much can I actually spend before I'm required to make that first payment? Now, the exact amount you can spend without an initial payment varies depending on a few factors. Your employer's integration with Beforepay. Some employers have more flexible arrangements than others. Your individual spending history. Consistent and responsible spending will likely increase your credit limit over time. Beforepay's risk assessment. They use various factors to assess your creditworthiness, including your employment history and income stability. Typically, Beforepay starts with a smaller credit limit. This allows them to assess your spending patterns and build trust. As you consistently repay your advances on time, your credit limit will gradually increase. Early and on-time repayments. This is the single most important factor. Consistent and timely repayments demonstrate responsible financial behavior and build trust with Beforepay. Maintain a good spending history. Avoid excessive spending or withdrawing large sums unnecessarily. Communicate with Beforepay. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your credit limit, reach out to their customer support. They can provide personalized guidance and address any concerns you may have. It's crucial to remember that Beforepay is a financial tool, and responsible borrowing is key. Always borrow only what you need and ensure you can comfortably repay the advance on time. Avoid overextending yourself and falling into a cycle of debt. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.